Hi, everybody. I'm Becky Gorga, Scentsy Star Consultant, and today I'm just going to walk through creating a very simple Jot form. We're just going to do a very basic, like a profile form. Not going to do invoice stuff or anything like that, but I will point you in the right direction for learning how to turn a Jot form into an invoice. Today, we're just going to do how to get started in Jot form, how to create the most basic of forms, okay? And so I'm going to go ahead and start sharing my screen. Okay, so here we are. We have the Jotform homepage. Well, this is my homepage. This is my forms I've already created. Now, I'm going to show you how to do this from a desktop computer or a tablet. You can also do this from your phone. Jotforms is very phone friendly in the app. So either way is just fine. You'll have no problem at all doing either one of these, okay? So right now I'm going to create a new form, and they do have templates up here that you can use to get you going if you feel uncomfortable building from scratch. But I am going to show you how to just start from scratch, okay? So we're going to come over here to create form. And here we go. So you can import a form, like say if I created a Jot form and I shared the code with you or the link with you, then you could upload that really quickly and then start working from that. Or you could find a template that is uploaded to their system. Again, we're just going to start from scratch today, okay? There are two different ways you can create a Jot form where it's just a classic form, which means all of the questions are on the same page. You can scroll up and down easily, or you can do cards, which as it says, you just see a single question at a time. So you answer a question, hit next, and it goes to the next page. You answer another question. I prefer to use the classic form. I think it's just more user-friendly and less like you're taking a test. Okay, so here you go. Ready to go. Blank slate. This is what it looks like. Okay. If I were building a form for my team or my business, I could add my business logo up here. We're just going to keep it simple right now. We're not going to add any embellishments or anything like that. Okay. We can title our form. Let's say you want to have a customer profile form. Okay. We can just real simple customer profile. Okay. Um, And then right here, we're going to add our first question. You can click or you can drag. I want to get my customer's name. Ta-da, real easily. Uh, First name, last name. Then you can come over here to settings or properties, and you can make this a required field, okay? You can put, uh, click that right there, and that means that they have to fill it out before they can say they're done with their survey, okay? And of course, you can change the labels. If you don't want it to say first name or last name, you can change what that says. But we're, again, just gonna keep this very simple, okay? We're done with that one. Now we're gonna add a new question. And so we're gonna get address, and I'll see how it just drops it automatically into the next line there. And of course, with customers, I always want their address, right? We want as much information as we can get from our customers as possible, okay? See how simple this is, where it already has these basic elements right here. I want to get my customer's email address. And again, I'm going to make it required. So it is, you have to kind of go through each one. That's a little bit of a work. It would be cool if you could just hit a button that says make all questions required, but that's okay. It's not that much extra work. Okay. All of my customers' information. Let's see. Date picker. Let's say I want my customer's birthday, right? I'm not going to make that required. Nobody has to share their birthday with me. You can also make it, I believe, so you don't have to have the year. Let's see. Maybe there's probably something somewhere else. Maybe let's see. Options. See, oh, so here you can have the format. Drop downs. Okay, so I'm going to dig more into this, but we can say that they have, I'm sure that there's a way to say that you don't have to put the year, but we're just going to leave that alone for now. Okay. We can also add anniversary, right? Okay. And then we're going to come down here and we're going to stop doing these types of questions. We're going to go to basic elements. So let's say I want to know how they found me. Okay. How did they hear about me as a consultant? So we can do single choice, multiple choice, where they can choose more than one. Let's do multiple choice, where they say, how did you find me? Okay, I'll say, let's see, from a friend, from consultant search. Looks like I spelled that wrong. Okay, it still doesn't like it. Consultant search, from Facebook, or we'll just say other. Okay, and there's also this, you can add the other option. Okay, let's see, what other questions might we want? Oh, here's a good one. How about, are you interested in earning free and half priced product? Now, some people would leave off the half price part. They just would, are you interested in earning free product? And that's okay too. Because the half price stuff is going to be there anyway, but some people will just not pay attention to that. So we're going to say, yes, please make those fun answers. Yes, please. How about, no, thanks. Not right now. Ask me later. Can you tell me more? Okay. That'd be a good question. Let's see. Oh, here's another one. Are you interested in starting your own Scentsy journey? Yes, let's go. No, thanks. What? Oh, let's see. I was say, what does that mean? But we'll do that in a second. Let's again, not right now. Ask me later. We'll say ask me later again. And then, can you tell me more? Because maybe they want to know more about what that actually means. That's why you do different questions. It piques their interest. They're like, what does that mean? You're not saying, hey, want to join Scentsy? You're starting different conversations. You're getting them to ask questions. Okay, that's opening a line of conversation. Okay, so you can add whatever you want, any kind of questions. You could add a spinner, you could add a CAPTCHA to make sure that they're human. You could put a table, a star rating, okay, and then you could come up here and product list, okay. This is where you would get into if you wanted to set up a pre-order or something like that, okay. I'm not going to do that though. And then where you can accept payments, okay. I'm not going to do that. That is another way to go, but again, right now I just wanted to show you a very basic Jotform format, okay. There's setting an appointment. You can fill in the blank. You could do long text, short, like a text box, like, what is your favorite scent? Okay, and then they have to fill in the box, okay? And the long text would give them, of course, more space to write, paragraph, okay? And then let's say you want to play around with the colors. Come over here, you can do different color schemes. It just makes it real pretty. Whatever colors you want to play with. You could change the colors here. If you wanted to get really bold, you could play around with it yourself. What do you think about that? Okay, just have fun with it. Don't be afraid to play around. That's how I've learned most of all the things that I've known is I've just don't be afraid to play around. You could go in and pick a style like you want to change how things look a little bit, like your button styles. Okay. You can pick a color theme Okay, there's featured themes, but let's say we want free themes. Free is always good, right? Scroll down, maybe want your yoga soup theme. That's just color themes, friends, okay? So yeah, just change the color a little bit. Sketches, look how fun that is. Young Achiever, just changes maybe the font a little bit. Okay, and then you could create your own themes here. Courtesy of the, see how fun this can be? Just change things up a little bit. What's this one? Color. Okay. So just have fun. Layout. Again, you can change it here, okay? And then you can preview it. We're just gonna let you see what it would look like. Oh, that's cute. So you want to change that logo, but let you see what it would look like to your customer, okay? And then when they hit that submit button, okay? So of course, so I guess I need to scroll to the top and see that it added that yoga profile. See here, look, here's my logo. It'll take a moment, it'll change. I'll let you see it. So a lot of consultants will use Jotform for many different things. I use Jotform for capturing information for any of new consultants in my downline. A lot of consultants will use it for setting up pre-sales or pre-orders for any LTOs that might be dropping. You can use it for just about anything that you would need a form for. Like if you wanted to send a survey out to all of your customers, you could do a survey. Okay. Just explore, maybe look through the templates, see what kind of templates there are. Play around with it, play just building a form and see what you can come up with. I believe Jackie Duran has created a Jotform video as well. And so I'm going to go find that for you and I'll put it in the comments. And I'm pretty sure she probably gets into the creating an invoice and all that fun stuff. Okay, so hopefully that was helpful for you on how to create a Jotform. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments. If you are watching on my YouTube channel, please like and subscribe for me because that helps more people find my videos, especially like the training videos, so I can help as many people as possible. If you're watching on Facebook, just say hi, something. Let me know that you're here, okay? And I will see you guys again soon. Bye.